That's right, guys. It's time for the first mod. I'm not even going to talk a lot. I'm too excited. Let's just put this on. That's a little bit louder. I do recommend using a jack though. That's something that I wish I had here. If you don't have a jack, you're gonna kind of have a hard time. Oh, here we go. I'll turn that. Sounds good. Sounds beefy. So tips for you guys that are going to be doing this without a jack. You're not going to have fun. You're going to need to be a small. If you're over 6 foot tall or you have a big, fat, oversized head like me, you're not going to have fun. You're going to be getting your nose caught on shit. You're going to have dirt falling in your eyes. I recommend using a lift or jack for this job, but it's not difficult. I agree with I think it was a 1 out of 3 wrenches that got on that Mustang parts website. So that's like cruising around in 3rd gear trying to be loud. Listen to the difference. It's just gone. My car's not running anymore. That's awesome. Guys, I recommend if you're looking for an exhaust that's affordable, less than $800, doesn't sound super ratty and poppy and loud, but still has an aggressive tone for the Coyote 5 liter, I always go with Flowmaster. I wholeheartedly recommend Flowmaster. There's not a doubt in my mind that Flowmaster makes the best sounding exhaust for the Mustang. The reason that Mustangs normally sound bad is that they rev so much higher than the Chevy and the Dodge engines. With the Hemi and the LS engines, they don't rev as high and hang in the revs as much as a Mustang does. I think this revs up to 6,800 RPMs before it starts redlining, and it just doesn't have as deep of a tone from the factory. Hellcats, Hemis, Scat Packs, SS Camaros, ZL1s, Corvettes, they always sound good no matter what exhaust you have. But Mustangs, they're more hard to find the right exhaust for. I searched for a long time trying to find the exhaust that's not too poppy, not loud. I didn't want to go with resonator deletes. I've heard people say that they don't like the sound of them, and to be honest, I don't either. I'm not doing straight pipes. I don't want to go to jail. Orla and Rouse are $800, $900. If you want to pay $500 for a good sound, you've got to go with Flowmaster. I was originally going to do the, the H-pipe and Shelby mufflers, but those don't sound as loud. I wanted to get a little bit loud, but not droning. And I think I picked the right choice with the Flowmasters. Down to first. Oh, yeah. That's 35 miles an hour that you're listening to. Jeez, that's so cool. I'm not even speeding, but it sounds like I am. Well, after 3 months of driving this thing with stock quiet exhaust, I can say without a doubt, the first mod you need to make on a S197 Mustang is the exhaust. Preferably just an axleback so you don't spend like $1,000. You don't need anything more than this. This is perfect. You don't need to do anything more than just an axleback on these cars. It sounds so perfect. It's almost like they knew what they were doing when they made this exhaust. Thinking, you know what? They're just gonna buy mufflers anyways. We might as well just make the rest of it sound good enough. And it does. $500 plus shipping. Hell, if you got it on Christmas, maybe it would just be $500 because you wouldn't have to pay the shipping. It was like 1 week of shipping. It was, I ordered it on a Thursday, and I got it on a Thursday. So only 1 week of shipping for this beautiful sound. It's worth the wait. Well, guys,
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.
Hello, MTV Cribs. This is my shower because I'm one big dirty bitch and I need the best to clean.